The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook.
Hello to my fantastic, beautiful, wonderful crafty creators. How are y'all doing? I'm Felicia with the Crafting Nook. I got another Kintsugi. All right, this time I got in the gold. I use my gold pen, which is the Deco Color Premium. Okay, it's the metallic gold paint marker. All right, I am using today, this time I'm using Leobro Bronze Violet. It's this color. Okay, it looks more like it's a pinkish color. It's okay, you know, I don't have no problems with it. I like it. My color choice was what color is this? Light green by wooa and milk yellow by wooa. And then I'm gonna throw in a little bit of Arteza Magenta. All right, so that's what I'm mixing together now. Get these nice and pretty. So these are an ounce each. I have an ounce in each one of these. Maybe an ounce and a half on the glitter. I have a little bit of resin that's left over there that I, you know, if I need, I'll use it. All right. So we're gonna wipe these sticks off. This is the Magenta by Arteza. I thought that this would be a nice little blend in there. You know, your two light colors and one darker color to tie them in. All right. Okay. And you know that's a beautiful color. But you know what? I think I need some more. You can see through it. I don't want you to be able to see through this. So let's get some more. Here's a different stick. Okay. Add some more in there. Some more of the magenta. Because I need for it to be solid. Okay. The only thing that I don't mind you seeing through is like the center. You can see through the center and it'll be just fine. Or the legs and it'll be just fine. But this time I don't want any overflow, friends. We got to do better. You can't. You can still see through it a little bit. I wonder. I don't know. I need some more. Get another stick. You can see through that a little bit. I don't like that. So I got a big amount this time. I wasn't shy about it either. Nope, I wasn't shy about it. You can see? I was not shy about it. I wanted a good bit in there. Because I don't want you to see through it at all. Especially when I got some alcohol inks about to go in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see here. Now this one, I know you can't see through this. Oh baby. Oh baby. No, you can't see through that one, friend. Okay. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Let's stir this milk yellow up. Okay. Oh, yes, baby. This is nice, too. So, these colors, I'm gonna say is my summertime colors. Not saying that I will use them, but somebody might want to use them, or somebody might want them. I don't know. It just all depends on that person's taste. But this is what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. And then, you know, I have the glitter. But first of all, we're gonna take this glitter and I need to get the wooden popsicle stick. Let's take this off of this because I got the other one's dirty. I don't want that one to get dirty. Okay, popsicle stick it is. So, okay, we do that. And I promise I am not gonna over pour. If I do anything, it'll be under pouring. Because you know, we've been making this mistake. Well, I've been making this mistake like every time I pour. I don't know what's going on, friend. That's beautiful, isn't it? Okay. I definitely got to get some for the legs, but let's see, do I have enough in here to spread out? All right. I'm not scraping the bottom of my mold. However, I am just sliding it across. All right. I'm not scraping. It's not like I'm digging, but I am, you know, scraping, not scraping, but pulling it across, you know, letting it do its own little thing here. All right. We know we still might have to put some more in here. Okay. Still maybe a little bit more I gotta put in there. Let's just wait a minute on that. Let's go over here. Scratch it out this way. Scratch it out this way. Try to let your glitter, like from the big chunks and the little chunks, let them all try to be evenly. Like you have just as much big chunks as you have smaller chunks in the same area. Okay. I've got to turn my air back on. Because, honey, I am getting so hot. Ooh, Jesus. I ain't got time to be sweating. I don't like to do too much sweating. Do you know what? Let me tell y'all. Here's a fun fact. When I was younger, I never sweated. I mean, I never would sweat, ever. I can run, jump, skip, hop, dance, everything, pop, twist it, turn it, all of that. I could do everything, and I would not sweat. You know when I started sweating? I started sweating around about 25 to 30 years old. Maybe I was around about 30 years old when I started sweating. And I was like, oh my. You know, I would always tell people, I don't sweat. I don't sweat. I don't sweat. I would tell people that. You know, and they say, you got to sweat. But I didn't. That was the thing. I never did sweat. But now, friend, I pour. I pour, honey. I pour. I pour down. Oh, I think this is going to be just lovely. The reason why I keep mixing this is so that all the bigger parts won't be to the bottom and all the smaller parts won't be to the top. So you want to divide it equally. Okay. All right, so I'm not adding any more into that. That is beautiful, friend. Friend, that's beautiful. As the little children say when they trying to first talk, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So what I'm gonna do now is let's add some more resin. Let me see, I might not need to add very much more in here. I'm probably gonna have to add some more glitter though. Oh yes, yes baby, let's add a little bit more glitter. It never hurts. Oops. Isn't that what we like to say when we pour glitter? Oops. Yes. Yes, friend. Just a little small oops. Okay, so I don't want to over pour this either. Let it start from there. Let this start from there. It's all in taking your time. I am not in a rush. The only rush I'm in is to get that air turned on, and I will be doing that in a minute. Okay, so now I'm just gonna try to let it spread. I'm not even worrying about like overfilling it or anything. Not yet. It's not a concern yet, because I still can pour my clear coat, you know, onto these. Right? All right, get this in here. So it took about almost, I'm just gonna guess, I'm gonna guess and say it took almost 2 ounces to get this part done. Okay, that's what I'm saying. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But that's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say it's around about 2 ounces. Y'all, it feels like something biting me. Friend, y'all know I'll be done jump through the screen. I'll jump through the screen, baby. Y'all have to save me. Let me stop it right now. All right, so now what I want to do, I got that. Okay, Crafty Creators, we're back for the third the third set of Kintsugi coasters. Okay, we're back. For a refresher, this is what we used. We used Arteza Magenta, wooa, light green, or milk yellow, and Leobro Bronze Violet, which is a chameleon glitter. All right, so if I turn it over and you see how it is, you'll say, oh, okay, well, I see why she thought that would be a good choice. But as you look at it, you can see most of the colors were fading away. It was just wrong, just wrong. So let's demold it. I'm not gonna hold you on this. Matter of fact, this isn't even cured yet. You see that? But you know, it's done. It's done. Friend. Friend. All right, we're gonna put it like that. Let's take these out. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. I love it. I do. I love the way the glitter comes out. I've become so much of a glitter fan until, you know, it's like second nature to me now. When I reach for something, I reach for some glitter. Give me some glitter. Give me some glitter. It's not complete without that glitter. All right, so the better time to put this in is when it is actually cured fully. but for y'all, I'm going to go ahead and put it in so that I can get a picture, take it back apart, and let it finish curing. Like this one, oh gracious, it didn't want to go in. Friend, what's wrong with you, friend? All right, it's in there, but you didn't want to go. One of them fell out just now. Wait a minute. You got to get it going, and you got to keep moving. Move fast. Like bob and weave, friend. Bob and weave. Okay, this is the side I want to show when the coasters come out. So, okay. This was the first one. I see a pinhole right there. It could be filled. Looks nice. Looks nice. I'll pull this over. Okay. I think I went here. Okay. For the life of me, I think something was laying on my mold and has this little shape here. So I don't know how to correct that. I have some other mold stuff, to like redo the mold or bring the shine back, but I don't really want to do that because I don't want to make a mess out of my mold. Okay, just don't. This is pretty. It's very pretty. It's pretty. Okay, move this over. I'm sorry to have just pop my tongue all in your ear, made it so loud. I'm sorry. This is the last one. I'm not so enthused by this because I feel like they could have been so much better. I'm having a time with that. I really am. So like I said, it looks good. I'm gonna wait until everything cures. All right, let it cure up quite a bit. Which one I want on the top? I'll keep this one on the, nope, this one. I'm gonna let it cure a bit and let you see. So there it is, friend. There it is. There it is, friend. It's there. Now I'm gonna bring this one back, and still, guess what? I like the first one better than the other two sets. I do. I like the first one better than this set, better than that set. This set just gave me all kind of like, ooh, like, ooh, shivers down my spine. But all right, I gotta take a picture of this and hurry up and get it from off each other so it won't do this, it won't stick. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of it, and that'll be it, friend. I'll see you on the next one. Y'all please be kind to one another, say something nice, and y'all have a pleasant day. I love you. Bye for now.